This workshop sets out to translate the steel reciprocal frame to bamboo relief shelters. Firstly, we used fresh-cut green bamboo. All shelters start by lashing together a 4-pole reciprocal frame roof. This 7-pole emergency shelter provides an exceptionally strong frame to support tarpaulins. This basic shelter can be elevated to provide extra headroom and living space. The lower ends of the roof frame are simply elevated onto bamboo posts, as in this case. Alternatively, in an urban disaster, good use can be made of low stone walls or available masonry. The double shelter uses an additional 4 poles, making 11 in total. The additional headroom provided, and over 20 square metres of floor space, makes this the preferred standard shelter if bamboo resources are available. The central reciprocal frame provides support for the tarpaulin where it is most needed. Each support pole is buried in the ground, and this arrangement ensures that either side of the frame can be elevated if required. Each roof frame is anchored to the ground using heavy bamboo stakes. The following shelters were built using dry bamboo. We built a much larger basic shelter simply by increasing the frame dimensions. This compact cold weather option shows the versatility of the reciprocal frame. Designed for taking a stove flue, it can support heavy insulation and also be elevated. We built an 8-pole reciprocal frame roof to demonstrate how reciprocal frames can support their own weight. An advantage of this roof is that it can be simply lashed together on the floor and then lifted onto its supports. A central support pole would normally be used to increase the angle of the roof during construction. This is then removed after the roof is erected. The double elevated shelter showed the real potential of using reciprocal frames. It starts with building 2 reciprocal frame roof sections on the ground. These are supported on a central frame and corner posts. Here a sliding knot is being demonstrated to help support the roof frame. The shelter will be completed by adding the second roof frame to the other side. The reciprocal frame roof provides an exceptional span and living space. This workshop has shown that bamboo can be as effective as steel for reciprocal frame shelter construction.